Welcome back to my channel. So as I said earlier, let's see the problems in the calculating the time zones at different regions depending upon the longitudes and latitudes, as we discussed earlier, right? So the main concepts here we have to remember while doing these problems are, so whenever the earth covers the one complete revolution, so takes 24 hours for one complete revolution. That means for 24 hours it is taking one complete revolution. That means 360 degrees. For 360 degrees it is taking 24 hours. That means for 15 degrees it takes 1 hour, and for 1 degree of course it takes 4 minutes. So these are the things you have to note, guys, while doing these problems, because we use these only the things while doing this solve these problems. I repeat, 360 degrees means it covers 24 hours, 15 degrees means 1 hour, and 1 degree means 4 minutes. So what I have to remember while doing these problems means this is very important session. This is our first problematic session we are seeing in my entire classes up to beginning in the social studies, right? So we have to remember that this is the main idea, so to solve these problems, right? So in India or it may be in any other country, there follows one certain standard longitude in order to follow the same time entire the country, right? In order to maintain stability entire the country. Suppose if it is not there, means we cannot able to find out the time correctly for certain places. So there must be standard time all over the country. So in India, we considering the 82.5 degrees eastern longitude, 82.5 degrees eastern longitude as the standard reference time. So depending on basing on this longitude, we are considering it is our Indian standard time. So how much at this eastern longitude the time will be there? So that time is considered as the local time of the all the country. So it is our the standard longitude, 82.5 degrees eastern longitude. So let's look into our problems. As I said earlier, how to calculate the time zones when we are moving from one place to another place, right? It's a very important session, calculating the time zones, right? So 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90, 120, 150 and 180 degrees. Again this side 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. So right, guys, so this is east side and this is west side. So as I already said, when you are talking about the longitude, it divides Earth into 2 equal halves basing upon the prime meridian, that is 0 degrees Greenwich Mean Time, or it is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. So it divides Earth into 2 equal halves, that is one equal half is western hemisphere and other equal half is eastern hemisphere, east and western hemisphere. It divides Earth into 2 equal halves basing upon the east and west, right? So suppose when the Earth starts rotating, it rotates from west to east. So when we are moving to the time zones towards the east, there will be a time of 1 hour ahead to the Greenwich time. And similarly, when we are moving to the west, there will be a time of 1 hour behind the Greenwich Mean Time. So suppose, let us say, there is a time 2 p.m. at London, which is the Greenwich Mean Time. So we have to calculate the time at India. So from this to India, the time difference it takes 5 hours 30 minutes. So we have to add this when we have to calculate the India time. Suppose In this example, say in this 2 p.m. So suppose IPL match is there. So there is a match between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, which starts 2 p.m. at London. So I am saying to my friend, today we have to watch the match today night. So that means for them already the match started at 2 p.m. For us the match should be, which is the 5 hours and 30 minutes we have to add. Then only that Greenwich Mean Time satisfies, which is ahead of 5.5 degrees from the Greenwich Mean Time. So when you are adding 5.5 hours to the 2 p.m. we get 7 hours 30 minutes. That is 7:30 p.m. Here our match starts. Like that we have to identify the times, right? Because of the 5 hours 30 degrees difference from the Greenwich Mean Time. So that is one of the basic concept. So apart from that, so I already said when we are moving from the west to east, there is an increase in time. That means ahead of time. That is gaining of time. So we said this is as in gain this side, and when we are moving to the west, there is a loss of time. Right? There is a loss. So suppose I am there here at the 30 degrees 2 p.m. So at a longitude of 30 degrees, my time is 2 p.m. So I have to calculate my time at 120 degrees. What is my time? I have to find out. So how we have to find out? I already said, basing upon the 3 terms. So I already starting of this session I explained, that is nothing but 360 degrees it takes 24 hours, and 15 degrees it takes 1 hour, and for 1 degree it takes 4 minutes. Right? So here 30 degrees is there. This time is 2 p.m. In between this another longitude will be present. That is 45 degrees. Similarly corresponding 75, 150, 75, sorry 105, and 135, and 150, 180. Again in this middle 165 will be present. Right? So now calculate. Here time is 2 p.m. So we have to, when we are moving towards east side we are moving, right? East side we are moving this side. So what I said, when we are moving from east side, the time will be 1 hour ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. So the time is 2 p.m. means when we are moving to the 1 hour east side, for every 15 degrees there will be 1 hour change. So that we have to add 1 hour in order to calculate the time at 120 degrees, right? So 2 p.m. 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the time is 8 p.m. For every 15 degrees 1 hour. That means here 2 p.m. 45, 3, 60, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the time is 8 p.m. So what is the time difference between these two means? 8 minus 2, 6 hours is the time difference. So when we are seeing in terms of time zones, that means we are from 15 degrees to 1. So in between this 15 degrees line is there. So this is 1, this is 2. That means one time zone, 1 hour ahead. After that 2 hours ahead. Like that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one thing, that is nothing. For every 1 degree, this differs by, it is ahead by 1 degree. That's it, right? Similarly, this is one of the concept. And similarly, again, for here 30 degrees, the time is 2 p.m. We have to calculate the 30 degrees towards west. So what the time will be? So 2 p.m. for 30 degrees, 1 p.m. 2 p.m. When we are moving to the west, what I said, we have to less the 1 degree, 1 hour. We have to less, because when you are moving towards that, it actually the time should be the 1 hour less than the Greenwich Mean Time. So we have decrease in the time. So 1 p.m. This is 12 p.m. That means 12 noon. Next, in between 50 degrees another will be there 11 a.m. and here the time is 10 a.m. So 2 p.m. and 50 degrees here takes 1 p.m. and here 12 noon. After that, before 11 a.m. 10 a.m. Right? This is one of the concepts. Like that we have to calculate the diagrams. Now, another important example is that suppose 90 degrees and 120 degrees there will be 105 degrees. Suppose here the time will be 5 p.m. So when I am calculating towards the west, here 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 p.m. This is 6, 7, 8. Sorry, I did get mistake. What I said, I am adding here. But what I said, when you are going towards the west, we have to decrease 1 hour. So that here only we mainly confused. So that what will be time? 5 p.m., 4, 3, 2, 1, and 12. That means 5 p.m. full moon exactly. So similarly, if you want to calculate this side means, so what happens means in this 5 p.m. assume we are in 8th August. 8th August assume. Suppose what happens here 8th August means, so after then crossing this 180 degrees line, it will be in the, when you are moving towards the west side, it will be the gain of the day. The day changes to 9th day. Similarly, when you are calculating to this side, what happens here 5 p.m. That means 105. So here the 6 p.m. for 90 and 5 p.m. Next to 6 p.m. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For exactly here the day changes 12 a.m. Another day becomes, that means 9th August. Again correspondingly 12 a.m. means for 30 means 12 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 noon here. So here I said that day changes to 9th. So how this changes means, so whenever it will changes to 12 noon, again after this crossing, it will become the 8th August. Here the day changes to 9th August. Here the present day is 9th August. When we are moving to the east, the day changes to 8th August. So that Y means in order to maintain the stability and the same time zone over the country, the same time over the country. Actually, this 180 degrees is the same line when we take in the globe. But when I draw in this in a phase shift in the board, I differentiate for your better understanding. That is 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west. Right. So that like that we have to calculate this. So it bases on the prime meridian. This line is known as the international date line. As I said yesterday, 180 degrees is known as the international date line. International date line. So which helps us to keep the same time in all the country. All the country, not to maintain. So like this, the time will vary. So this is about this regarding international date line. This is 82.5 degrees basing upon 82.5 degrees eastern longitude. We consider our Indian Standard Time. So let's move into our GK part as usual. So this is regarding this calculating of the time zones when you are moving from one side to another side. We completed this session. This is a very important session, guys. That's it regarding. Let's move into our GK part without wasting time. So the fourth largest island in the world is Madagascar. Fourth largest island. So which has an area of 5,87,160 kilometers, and it is present. It has location at Africa. And its surroundings is Indian Ocean. So when you are talking about this, this has one important feature, guys. So between the years 1897 to 1960, the Madagascar is known as the French of colonies. It is known as the French of colony. Why? Means because during this period 1897 to 1960 is under the control of the France. So after this 1960, it got independence from the France. So during this time it is called the French colony of France. Sorry, French colony of France. This is what it is. That's it for today. So what the sections I am dealing is, every day it will be like that only. If you want those who are reading for the first time, I'm saying one thing only, guys. So what are the concepts I will deal with as my best effort I will take for you for best understanding only. I will say this. I started this, so I will say clearly up to my knowledge and studying and researching on various books, things whatever it may be about. So those who are interested in social studies can definitely please subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel. It's truly Teja, signing off. Bye.